what are the set of standard set of operations and tasks across the globe? SAP has listed out all of them, and for each and every task, they have built a program. And for each and every program, some of them will be only backend programs, some of them will be front-end programs, and for some of them, you have created the shortcuts of the programs called transaction codes, and you call them and you use them. Okay, now SAP
Very
application
good.
is nothing but set of all these ABAP programs bundled together, right? This is
Very
clear?
good. Oh, now you are giving a total technical definition. Okay, go ahead. I'm enjoying.
You're enjoying it, right? See, end of the day,
Yeah.
you need to enjoy. So
Okay.
the set of this all these above programs are bundled together, and each of the above program has its own task, be it FI task, MM task, SD task, everything. Now, what happens is a program is nothing but set of instructions. But
Okay.
a program will have the capacity to execute in multiple modes, right? So variant is something which you pass as an input. Variant is
Variants.
nothing but variable data passed as an input to the program. Now, if you pass one input, program will execute for example, you are trying to pull the task for HPUS. Okay, you are trying to pull the data for HPUS. If you pass the data input as HPUS, system will give you the HPUS related data. If you type some other company code, same program will get the report for some other company code, right?
Of course.
So what is varying here? Your input company code is varying, right? Hello? Hello? Am I
Yes.
audible?
Yeah, yes.
So your input company code that is passed to the program is varying. Sometimes what happens is you suppose if you want to trigger this particular program every day in the morning and you don't want to trigger it for all the company codes, but you wanted some selected list of 3 company codes out of the 5 company codes your organization has, assuming it. Out of 5, you need to only execute for 3. But how will you know? System should automatically pick it. How will it pick it is you will enter these details and save it under the variant name. And you will create a batch job. You will call this program and you will pass that variant as an input. Okay. Variant is some predefined set of instructions which we can save.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Similarly, now coming to our particular configuration related thing, leave about other things. Now you have company code 1, you have company code 1, and you have company code 2. You have multiple company codes, right? Multiple
Mm-hmm.
company codes will have multiple, all of them will have a financial year. Agreed?
Yes. And
But
some.
for each of them, the financial year is different, right?
Okay.
In
Okay.
SAP, you are calling a single program, but in the program, what you will pass is you will save the details under a different variant. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose if you say I am creating a variant which will follow Jan to December. It's not only US company code, there might be some other company code like UK. They will also follow, let us say, Jan to December. So I can assign this variant to both company codes. So let me say the variant is K1 or K4 is one of the standard provided by SAP. So
Mm-hmm.
K4 is the variant I'm assigning to US and UK. So this is UK, let us say. If I'm assigning it to the both company codes, both of them will exhibit the behavior of Jan to December financial year, right? Instead of
Okay.
defining multiple times for each and every country a variant, you can create a single variant and assign that to multiple company codes.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Getting me? Similarly, you can create another thing. This variant creation for fiscal year is called fiscal year variant. Okay. And similarly, if you are doing it for posting period, system doesn't know how many posting periods you have. Are you having 12 posting periods, 9 posting periods, 6 posting periods? System doesn't know. So for that details, how many posting periods are there for a company code, you will create a posting period variant and then assign this variant to the company code. So company code will start exhibiting that behavior. Okay, if you remove this posting period variant and assign a different posting period to the same company, it will behave differently. You're getting me?
Okay.
It makes sense, right? My explanation. I know my explanations are all out of the blue and it looks stupid, but I will try to relate everything with the real time. So set of operations, set of web programs, from where to where I came. So you will be a little bit confused, but is it
No,
clear?
yes, 50%, more than 50%.
Now let us see this. What when we do it in the system, you will get more clarity.
Okay.
So now what we are doing, now we have created one company code called HPUS. Now it needs to exhibit the behavior of January to December calendar year, let us assume. Okay. Now let us go ahead and create the behavior of Jan to December. First, what I will do, I will create the fiscal year variant and then I will assign that company code to the fiscal year variant. First, I'll create the fiscal year variant. Okay, in the system, always most of the global company codes they follow something called as K4, which will be provided by SAP. I'll show you that first. K4. Can you see this K4? This is the Jan to December. Most of the company codes across the globe they use this K4.
Okay.
Okay, so now let me go for this creation of this fiscal variant. I will not use the standard one. I'm going to show you how to create a new fiscal variant. If in case tomorrow in your role, if you have to create one, it will be difficult for you, right? I'll
Mm-hmm.
create something as H1 or I'll directly create HP. Let me see if system allows or it says already existing. Okay, HP, I'll maintain Jan to December.
Mm-hmm.
Fiscal year variant. I'll show three types of fiscal year variants. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this thing is clear for I'm maintaining for HP Jan to December
Mm-hmm.
and I'll name this as H1. I'll create three types. So what are the number of posting periods you wish to have in your financial year?
12.
12.
Mm-hmm.
And then, so this is 12.
And let's take from February to,
That I will take. I will take. That is what I told. I will
because
explain
January
three
to
types.
December is already exist in the system.
And that also will be existing. Everything will be existed. I am showing you separate things. Don't
Okay.
worry about what is existing in the system.
All right. Okay.
Okay, let me show you that as well. I want to clear the doubt first. Else you will not concentrate. You will be thinking about it. Everything will be created in the system. Different people are practicing, right? Everyone will create it. And it is provided as K3. SAP also provides that from standard.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. One second, one second, one second, one second.
So,
Yeah, here.
have you seen any in the practical field that they are using the K4 and K3 and somebody using some other variant in the like Africa or some countries?
Yeah, they will use it, na? They will
They
use
will.
it.
I mean, this is the facility, but are they using that?
Obviously, they will use it.
I mean, the question is, are they using currently, or just
Yes,
we are
yes,
using two variant?
they will use it, but mostly they will go with the standard variant only.
Okay, in all over world, we are using mostly January to December or March. I
We
mean,
have it differently, right? We have different countries will have different.
correct.
Mostly it will be Jan to December. In
Mm-hmm.
India, we have April to March. In
Mm-hmm.
Australia, we have July to June. And again
Oh,
in
yeah.
UK also in some countries, see, by in UK
Y-
also there is some changes.
Okay, this is the new thing, July to June. Okay, July.
Yeah,
Maybe UK has a same variant, like um, April to 31st March.
no.
I believe we are, India is totally copying of the, the all the taxation system, everything from the UK.
Okay, okay.
So I mean,
Yeah. UK also runs with April to March.
yeah, just India is a copy of that UK.
Yeah, that's true. India
Mhm.
was ruled by Britishers for 200 years. Obviously, it is a copy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Mhm.
So now, yeah, Jan to December, but most of the people, I don't know how accounting is being done. They do close by year end. By
Yeah.
December, they are closing.
Yes,
I
in
I I work for one of the reputed companies currently. They do also close by December. I don't know how they do it.